Hi, today I'll be talking about a video extract of my literature review, which is the effect of MCTs on epilepsy. So, epilepsy is a quite a common disorder, and as someone who suffers from it myself, I know how debilitating it can be. So, today, around 51 million people suffer from it, with it still growing, and not everyone, not medication is not helpful for everyone. And there are some other um, uh, there are some other things that can help, such as diets, like the ketogenic diet, the MCT ketogenic diet. So the ketogenic diet is changes the brain's main fuel from glucose to fat-derived ketones, and you've got several different versions. So let's say the classic one, which most people know about, the MCT one, the important one, and another one, let's say the a low glycemic index diet. So they all have their benefits and they've shown potential to reduce seizure frequency, but each have limitations, from side effects to being like difficult to work sometimes. So the MTC ketogenic diet focuses on two main chain fatty acids, octanoic acid and decanoic acid. So they're quickly digested and transported to the liver and broken down to produce ketones. And some can even cross the blood-brain barrier directly and fuel brain cells themselves, giving them the brain like a backup energy source, reducing seizure activity. So the main thing we're looking at is the efficacy, so like how effective they are. So a study in 1971 found that 60% of calories from MCTs found that effect from 58% of patients had a 90% seizure reduction, which is quite high. Uh, Higher MCT percentages also cause stomach issues, but recent studies using lower MCT percentages saw fewer side effects, but lower seizure control, which is not great. Optimal balance is still unclear. So decanoic acid's the main part. It reduces blocks AMP receptors in the brain, which are involved in triggering seizures. While octanoic acid is powerful against seizures on its own, but plays more of a supporting role. It serves a breakdown of decanoic acid, helping remain in the system longer. Also, for like research gaps these days, we need more long-term studies with larger patient groups, and we also need to find the optimal MCT ratio.